remember I said the last video, it's like, but I still don't have enough votes. I don't have enough votes yet. It's only little tiny bits of votes, and I want everybody. So we're just gonna do it. First one. If this is good for camera, I don't know. So yeah, that's. Oh my god. And I know that this is after so you know what? So this is maggots. So here it is. It has maggots. It has maggots. Duh. So let's see if I can find a maggot there. I mean, I didn't put this on. My dad did. I guess. And he scared me on Christmas too. He said, oh my god. He said that there were real maggots on our side. And so we just moved to a room. So, who's maggot? Who's a oh my god, it keeps falling. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stretch it. It does not remember. I hope you understood that. So it's so this one is naturally sticky. And it's really hard to keep it in front of the camera. So you can also have the table, but if you should know. So this is that one. Like we saw last week, we also really like to do it. So how about you? Yo, this is what I look like. I don't know if we. Do you hear that? You did. It is really creepy. Dun, dun, dun. Ugh. Inside of it, and that's what we did. It has little, you know, Honey slime. Stop. Then stop. The but but too lucky. The good is actually oh. That's what else? Yeah, that's why I like cheese. I hate cheese. Okay, I hate it. That you guys that why